Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Slack OAuth for project updates in Jira. Detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Slack API website. Log into your Slack account if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on your apps in the top right corner. Select Create New App to initiate the app creation process. Choose the option to create an app from scratch. Enter your app's name and select the Slack workspace you want to connect to. Click on Create App to proceed. In the app settings, navigate to the OAuth and Permissions section on the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Redirect URL section. Enter the URL where you want users to be redirected after authorization. Typically, this URL is where your Jira instance is hosted. In the same section, you will find scopes. Click on Add an OAuth scope to define the permissions required by your app. You may want to add scopes such as channels, read, chat, write, and others based on your needs. Once you've added the necessary scopes, scroll back up and click Install App. Authorize the app in your Slack workspace when prompted. After installation, you will receive an OAuth access token. Copy this token to a secure location. You will need it for Jira integration. Now, switch to your Jira instance and log in as an administrator. Navigate to the Manage Apps section in the Administration settings. Look for the option to add a new application linked to Jira. Enter your Slack app's URL and specify the name and description for this link. You'll be prompted to input the OAuth access token you copied earlier. Complete the application link setup and save your changes. Return to your project settings in Jira where you want to receive Slack updates. Look for the integration or notification settings and find the option to connect with Slack. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the integration. Test the connection by sending a test message to your designated Slack channel. Verify that your project updates are being sent and received correctly in Slack. You have now successfully authorized Slack OAuth for project updates in Jira. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.